Manus.ai represents a significant evolution in AI architecture, designed to function as a general AI agent capable of autonomous task execution beyond traditional chatbot limitations. Its architecture is built around the concept of a multi-agent system that integrates various specialized AI models to handle complex, multi-step tasks with minimal human intervention. At its foundation, Manus.ai employs a multi-agent architecture where different AI models serve specialized functions within the system. This distributed approach allows for parallel processing of various task components and enables the system to handle diverse input types and execution requirements simultaneously. Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet serves as a primary reasoning engine, providing high-level logical processing and decision-making capabilities. A fine-tuned Alibaba Qwen LLM, optimized for specific task components, handles language understanding, generation, and certain execution elements with specialized fine-tuning for improved performance on particular types of operations. Manus.ai includes a robust tool integration framework that enables direct interaction with external systems and environments, including web browsing, file manipulation, shell command execution within a Linux sandbox, form filling and web interaction tools, and API connectivity for various services. The system incorporates dedicated processing modules for different input-output types, text processing, image analysis, code generation and execution, and document creation and formatting. An embedded learning system tracks user interactions, preferences, and common task patterns to continuously optimize performance, including user-specific response personalization, efficiency improvements through pattern recognition, cross-session knowledge retention, and performance adjustment based on feedback loops. The workflow execution process begins with input analysis, identifying required actions, data types, and tools. Complex requests are broken into subtasks, each routed to the appropriate AI model or tool. Independent tasks are processed in parallel. Outputs are integrated into a coherent result, validated, adjusted, and delivered in the requested format. The technical infrastructure utilizes distributed computing on cloud-based resources, implements a security layer with encryption and sandboxing, manages external connections via an API gateway, and monitors performance and system health in real time. Unlike single-model approaches, Manus.ai combines multiple specialized models for task optimization, includes direct tool execution without external plugins, maintains long-term user context, emphasizes autonomous, multi-step task completion, and supports true multi-modal processing within a unified framework. This architectural approach positions Manus.ai as a versatile AI assistant capable of handling complex, real-world tasks that require both cognitive reasoning and direct system interactions.